In this video, I will show you how to create music using AI in Filmora. Let's get started. Now, selecting music for video sometimes can be time consuming, and if there's an AI that can create the music for you, why not? So Filmora has this ability, and I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to use a video that I've edited some weeks ago using Filmora, and let's see what kind of music that you can come up with. I'm going to just silence the audio here and head on over to audio and look for AI music. Click on it. Now I've already generated some AI music, and you can see them here. So we will circle back to this. So let's head on to the tool itself and start generating AI music. Click on start and you will have this window open, and there are a few items that you can choose from. One of it is the mood. There are only 8 moods at the moment. Maybe they'll add more. And next is actually the music duration. For now, the music duration is a maximum of 5 minutes. I'm going to select it all the way to 5 minutes because my video is 5 minutes long. Now, you don't have to use the full 5 minutes because let's say you want to have just a snippet of song, for example, for the middle part or maybe the beginning. You can select any duration that you want. Now, next is the generated music count. You can select from 1 to 6, and this is not the music count that you are familiar with, for example 4/4 time or 3/4 time. This is the number of samples that Filmora will create for you. If you put 3, it will create 3 options for you to choose from. If you choose 4, then it will select 4. I already created some happy and exciting music for this, so let's go with something epic and see what it comes out with. And we will stick with 3 samples. Filmora will give you an estimation of how many credits that you will use to create this song. Let's do 4. Let's start. It will take some time for Filmora to generate this, so you have to be a little bit patient. I am going to pause the video for the time being. Now, it doesn't really take that long for Filmora to generate the song, and you already have the first song up. Next is the second one. So let's just take a listen to the song and see what we get. I would say that it is not too bad. Actually, Filmora have already finished 4 songs here. This is quite similar to the first one. If you want to move forward to hear the rest of the song, you can actually just click further along the song to hear this music. Let's take a look at the song number 3. If you are satisfied with the song, you can download it here by clicking on the downloads icon, and it will end up in your generated song over here. Now, you don't have to download all the songs, but it is up to you. One thing to take note of is when you close this window, Filmora will clear all the songs that you did not download. So it would be better to download all the music since you're already been created. So anyway, I'm going to click OK, and let's see what we have here. So this is my original video. Alright, and I can look for, say, the epic sound. Okay, let's drag this down onto the timeline and see what we get. Alright. So my video is slightly over 5 minutes. We can actually either lengthen it using this tool here, or we can just make some adjustments by using the front part. One last thing, if you want to know where your music is stored, what you need to do is to go to your file, go to your preferences, and you see your folders, your default storage location. In my case is C, user, GMS, and documents. So what you need to do is head on over to your C drive, users, gyms, go to documents, go to Wondershare, Filmora, go to downloads, go to Filmora again, and go to AI music, and these are the songs over here. Alright, so I hope that this video helped you. Do check out what's on the screen right now for the next Filmora tip.